Right here on the right is the controls for the feed. Throttle's right next to it. And down here, we're going to put it in the granny gear. Now we're going backwards. Back in neutral. Now we're going forward.